Today, we're going to walk through the cohort views available in the analytics section of Outgrow and learn how to compare your audience based on traffic source, device, geography, browser, and engagement. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and opening one of your published content pieces. Navigate to the Analyze tab. At the top of the page, you can customize the date range to analyze performance for any specific time period. Once you've selected the desired date range, scroll down to the Traffic Overview section. Here you'll find several cohort views that help you understand where your visitors are coming from and how they're interacting with your content. Let's explore each one. First, we have Top Geographies. This map highlights the countries and regions where your audience is located, such as the United States, France, and India, helping you identify your strongest markets and understand the geographic reach of your interactive content. Next is the Devices report. This chart breaks down your audience based on the device they're using to access your content. You can compare traffic across desktop, mobile, and tablet devices to understand where your users are engaging the most. Now let's look at traffic sources. This section shows where your visitors are coming from. You'll be able to compare sources such as direct access, Google search, email campaigns, and other referral channels depending on your traffic. Next, we have Browser Analytics. Here you can compare the browsers your audience is using, such as Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Understanding browser usage helps ensure your content delivers a consistent experience across different platforms. Finally, let's look at engagements. This chart summarizes how visitors are interacting with your content after they arrive. Depending on your content type, engagements may include actions such as clicking a call to action button, downloading a report, sharing the content, or completing other tracked interactions. As you compare these cohort views, you can quickly identify patterns in visitor behavior across different audience segments. And that's how you can use cohort views in Outgrow to compare your audience by geography, device, traffic source, browser, and engagement. Ready to optimize your marketing performance? Use Outgrow's cohort views to understand your audience, identify your top performing channels, and make smarter, data-driven decisions.